Hi, my name is Maria Sparks with Cork and Platter, and today I'm going to show you how to make a roast beef pepper jack cheese sandwich. First thing we're going to start with is bread. Bread is the most important thing. It's like the foundation of a house. If you don't have good bread, if you have stale bread, your sandwich will just not taste the same. I'm going to put on the bottom half of the bread, I'm going to put mustard. Now, I love Dijon. You can use yellow mustard, you can use grainy mustard, whatever you like. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put down the meat. Now, you can get roast beef from the deli. So for this, we're going to put down 4 to 5 ounces of the roast beef. And I like to fold my roast beef. It's nice and thinly sliced. And I like to fold it so it's kind of fluffy. And the next thing we're going to add is our pepper jack. And I've already sliced it, and I've done it into some thin slices, and I'm just overlapping my pepper jack. I would say this is about 2 ounces of cheese. The next thing you're going to add are your garnishes, your veggies. So I like to add my onion first, sweet red onion, thinly sliced. The next thing I do is add my tomatoes. These are beautiful, nice and red. About 2 to 3 slices depending on how big your sandwich is. This one looks like 2 would be fine. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the tomato just to bring out the flavor. Your tomato's pretty neutral. There's 2 ways that you can add your lettuce. You can either just put the leaf straight onto the sandwich, or you can chiffonade it, which is you take a couple of leaves, you roll them up, then you take your knife and you thinly slice. Next thing you know, you take your lettuce, you fluff it up, and then you place it on top of your sandwich. The last thing we're going to do is our sauce to give it some flavor, give the roast beef a little kick. So you can either, well, let's see, we're going to open it and pour it on because it's a little too thick. There we go. And I'm going to spread it out. Whatever you want to put on the top. This one's a horseradish blue cheese mayonnaise. All right, now we're going to top our sandwich. Gently press down. And then we're going to slice our sandwich in half. Anything that falls out, just tuck it back in the end. But your sandwich has stayed nice and high, light and fluffy. And especially when you're making it for other people, you don't want to have finger marks all in your sandwich. So here we're going to transfer this. We're going to tuck in the little bits that have fallen out. Then we're going to give you the big reveal. And here we go. That looks amazing. And that's how you make a roast beef pepper jack cheese sandwich.